We are now in Boracay, Station 1. May. May, mamaya mahulog ka dyan, ha? Oh. Ano? No, enjoy kami, ha. You see? Yeah. Where is Eli? That's Eli, me, oh. Eli. Ayun, oh. This is my friend Eli and Pina. They're coming with us. They want to feel the beauty of Boracay. I try to narrate what I have supposed to tell you. You're coming in approach. Oh, okay. No. You have some dip of the sea. Madali lang. That's this is live.
Wow.
Oh, sarap, oh. Yun na, yun. Me. Helen. Babalik na ako doon. Init. Mainit. Yeah, mainit, eh, oh. 3 o'clock na. Come on. Enough is enough. Say goodbye to Boracay. Eli, let's go. It's real hot. Baka mag-collapse tayo. Yeah, I'm taking medication too. My medication doesn't permit me to expose in the heat, or else I'll have a collapsion. May gusto kong kumain ng ano, ng pangalan to. Init. Tapang. Ha? Kape. Ang init na yun. Wow, sunog ka na, man.
Sandali lang, no?
Sunog ka dito.
Pero naglagay ako ng ano.